Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to create retro backgrounds in Adobe Illustrator using rainbow brushes. Let's make the brushes first. Use the rectangle tool and make a small square. Then, make copies of this square based on the colors you want to use in your design and change each one's color accordingly. This set of squares will be used for the first brush. For the second one, just copy the group and space them out a bit. Now drag and drop each group into the brushes panel, select Art Brush, and make sure a Stretch to Fit stroke length is selected. Change the direction from left to right and press OK. We're going to do the same thing for the second brush. Now you can use this brush with the brush or pencil tool or as the stroke for shapes. For the first background, I use one of the brushes as the stroke for a rectangular shape. Just place them around. Use a rectangle as the background and another one to mask out the parts outside the canvas. To mask out the parts outside the canvas, right-click on the stroke and the rectangle you're using for mask. Then select Make Clipping Mask. This time, I'm using the pencil tool and one of the brushes as the stroke. You can also change the weight of the stroke and adjust it into a triangular shape. I play around with this until I'm happy with the result, and then mask out the parts outside the canvas like before. Again, use the pencil tool to draw a wavy line. Use the width tool to change the width of different parts of the stroke. Mask out the parts outside the canvas by right-clicking on the stroke and the rectangle you're using for masking. Then select Make Clipping Mask. For the fourth background, use the pencil tool to draw another wave. Then go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh, and add rows and columns for the mesh and click OK. Now with the direct selection tool, you can distort different parts of it. Play around with this. Use different mesh rows and columns to create unique patterns. I wanted to see how it would look with fewer colors, so I expanded it first and changed the colors. I also copied it a few times and placed them around to fill up the empty space. This time I used the brush as the stroke for circles. I tried different sizes and stroke weights, then placed them around. Now to export these backgrounds, go to Window, Asset Export, group each background before dragging and dropping them. I usually export as PNG and SVG formats. For PNG, I set the width to 5000 pixels. I hope you enjoyed the process of making these backgrounds. These types of backgrounds can be sold as digital products on websites like Etsy, Adobe Stock, and Creative Fabrica, and they're very easy to make. If you tried using these methods to make your own unique backgrounds, I'd love to see them. Let me know in the comments which background was your favorite. Thanks so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.